Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track radio out of a, excuse me, out of a 1969 Chrysler 300. This comes from Rick in Mayfield Heights, Ohio. Thank you so much, Rick, for your business all the way from Ohio. And Rick has requested the FM conversion with the Bluetooth, and so we're here to make sure it all works before we send her back. So let's turn it on. I've got it set to AM at the moment to the one strong station I receive, so here we go.
Energy tax credits and the best warranties in the industry. Why not call right now? 928-567-2200. Jones Settle.
Original balance control.
Mechanical installed before the summer rush.
Left.
KQ&A's
Right.
Quick Flicks is up next, brought to you by Prescott Valley Adult Center.
Right.
Tax season is right around the corner. The Prescott Valley Adult Center Meals on Wheels.
Okay, now we also have a front rear fader,
and
that's in the tone control. I'm going to show you guys how we activate and adjust that. We're going to take our tone control to about the center position, give it 2 quick turns upward. We don't need this stuff anymore.
A contribution to the Prescott Valley Adult Center Meals on Wheels can qualify you for an Arizona tax credit. That's
Fader adjust.
Okay.
to make a difference in our
Still gonna
community.
need this.
Call 928-77
Fader set.
Okay.
today.
Gotta do it
I'm
again.
Lindsay Draper with your KQ&A
I wasn't
Quick
ready.
Flick. Fader adjust.
There we go.
At
All the way
Harkins,
front.
Prescott Valley 14.
Rear.
The Friend, a drama, rated R.
Rear.
The comedy horror,
And center.
Summer, rated R. Faith-based family anime, Fader
Fader
set.
set. Okay.
It's rated PG.
Now we can get rid of this.
The Last
Okay,
Supper.
now we're going to move over to FM, which on this radio we do by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
And would you say he's good at
Okay,
doing
let's
what
make
he
sure the
does,
Bluetooth
or
goes into pairing
not so
mode.
good?
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay,
Yes.
so you heard that?
I'm not really-
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Okay.
Come on in.
End of a song. No cross-talk between songs.
That means wake up and live. Oh yes, you know the boy she won't ever dabble, honey, no. I was lonely, couldn't.
Okay, pull the plunger, spit the tape out, and we're good. And there's no dialight to test because this model does not have the opening that the dialight normally goes into. So I went ahead and left the orange wire. This one is for dialighting. If possibly he's got a dialight somewhere else in the dash, but otherwise this orange wire won't be used. So that concludes the test. Is ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to some other cool stuff. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below. And from the home page of that website, please download and print a work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order lists all my options and prices, including options for turnaround time. And once you have a work order in your hand, you're welcome to call me with any other questions you may have. So thanks so much for watching and listening, and thank you, Rick, for your business all the way from Mayfield Heights, Ohio, and we'll see you guys next time.